Okay, you trader nerds, welcome in. It's a Thursday. That's the day that we trade our IRAs. That's right. Roth IRA, regular IRA. Doesn't matter. That's what we do. So let's look at the markets first. And I appreciate y'all being with us. Look at this, y'all. The market's up 0.74%. Now, we had Tony from Mexico with us on yesterday. If you were going to do a black swan hedge, today's the day to do it. On a day when the market is up, that's when you really want to buy them. So if you want to buy a complete tranche of the black swan hedge, sweet bobby hedge, whatever you want to do, today's the day to do it. So I think Tony made a good point, though, and it doesn't hurt to add it into our program because the way we do it, the hedge should be on for free after you initially set it up. So we'll go into more depth on that probably tomorrow in our Muscadine Mafia session. Show you how to set up a black swan hedge if you take Tony's advice and you think that's something that we need to do. All right, so the market's up big. Volume is about average. AD is 132. VIX has creeped up to a little bit to 13. So yeah, not much to see here at all, really. Just a big old move up. Let's look at the big green monster. See what the big green monster looks like. And it is okay. Gap up, right? Gap up and go. So kind of a trend day, looks like to me. But yeah. What do we think it's going to do? Well, it's got a lot of room to run, y'all. We've got a target of the 44.63 up above and the 44.99. So the 4,500 below. So 4,500 below, 46.63 above. Let's see where she goes. But this is a pretty normal distribution of volume. And the point of control is always an area that we're looking at. So the 45.67. So, it's I hate to say it, if it doesn't go up, it's going to go down. So the market really is nothing but, how come my little thing ain't working? How come my thing ain't working? Hold on. My little pen ain't working. Anyway, if the market doesn't go up, it's going to go down. Why is my thing not working? I don't know why. My little pen. Okay, anyway, so it is what it is. All right, so let's go and let's do our little IRAs for the day. So let's go 203. This is our IRA, our main IRA, and we are at 93,511. 93,511. Come on, baby. Did y'all enjoy Tony's session yesterday? I did. That was really good. 93,511. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. To the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right. And let's see what our Greeks and ratios are. So we are at 5 delta. Wow. Oh, it's not beta weight.
I got a problem with that.
Oh, what's wrong?
I was on the phone with them today, and all these deltas changed. I was on the phone with them an hour at Thinkorswim, and all these deltas changed dramatically. Sometime, I think it changed actually Tuesday. So they've moved the decimal points on all these deltas.
Really?
Yeah, now they say it's in dollar figures and values, and they act like it's been like that for forever, but we know better.
Well, that's crazy, isn't it?
So your delta is probably really 50.
Okay, it is. And I didn't have it SPY weighted. So it is 51. Yeah, for some reason, make sure on yours, Hal, that the beta weighting is on and you've got it beta weighted to SPY. All right, so my buying power is 23.8. See how we're doing there, 23.8. Everything looks good, except for my theta is a little low. Now, another thing Tony said, remember he said, Bobby, close these. Go ahead and close that. And, just roll those positions out. So I think I'll start doing that. Let's do this one, the 41.25 with 8 days left. Let's just ring the register. You want to? 41.25 with 8 days left. Let's see, go to my naked puts. 41.25s. with 8 days left. 41.25 are up 97%. Rough. Just take them all. Come on, little baby. 50 cents. All right, so we're out of those. Ring the register. So closing price here was 50 cents. And we exited on 12/7/23. Okay. Might as well take these other two off that are no need to keep them on, really. I know we sit there and go, I know the chances of, who knows. Let's take off these 39.60s. What the crap is that price? Mid price is, boy, that's a wonky strike, isn't it? See if we can get out. Yeah, we got out at 35 on the 39.60s. 39.60s, 35 cents. Give us some Applebee's money, but why is that not working? What a crap. 12/7/23. Why is that not working? There we go. Got it. And then we got one more to take off in the 8 days. So let's go take him off. Come here, little fella. No need getting fancy with this stuff. Just take your, we said if they're 95% probable, take them off. Why do we want to get out of that one for 30? Nope. Price discovery, my man. Price discovery. Nickel it up. There we are. We're out at 35 cents. Got it. So 12/7/23. Boom. Got all those out. Now let's just see how much money we made on those. 400. We made 800. We had 1,300, 1,400 bucks or so. Look at that, y'all. That's the way you do it. Okay. So ringing the register. Now we got to replace that. So I'll probably do 2 tranches. So let's trade 2 tranches. We'll go to closest to 120 days. So we got 99 or 134. Let's go to 134. 5% probability of being in the money. Let's do these 3,800s. Get a nice premium here. Look at this, y'all. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 3,800s. 17.25.
Only got a partial fill.
Oh, did I? Dag it. Come on, Phil, baby. Well, let me put them in. Let's see if we get the rest of those fill while I'm putting it in. So we did the 3,800s. Come on, little feller. So we did 4 of those. And P102, y'all. 3,800s. Puts. Naked. What was it? 134. 12/7/23. And we got 17.25, I think, on that. Okay, let's let them work. Yep. 17.25. Come on, baby. Come on. All right, let's go put our put debit spread in while we're waiting. 25 delta or so. So that's probably there. So we'll go 44.50, 4,400. Then we'll do 2 of those. There we go. 44.50, 4,400, 925. 925. And it's fun. I love this stuff. I got a pretty good life, y'all. I do this. I go to the gym every day with my mama for an hour and a half. I get me some lunch. I come back. I go to wrestling tonight with my son. Life is pretty good. Life is really good. You get to do this all the time. Just fun. All right. So this is good. So we're in. Let's see. Do I want to? Beth's calling me. She should know I'm in the class. Do I want to fix those up at $17? Let me just get them filled. Okay, we got them filled. I'm just going to put them all in at $17. We'll just say $17. Be a little off, but that's good. Close enough for whatever, hand grenades. All right, so we got that account done, y'all. We're looking really, really good. And look, y'all, we've had a good profit in this account. You know, you sitting there going in an IRA, and you're making, you know, I know we're below what we could have been because we hadn't kept enough theta in this account, but we've made $9,500. I mean, almost $10,000. Am I happy with that in an IRA? Turn around, I am. Really proud of that. And look, y'all, we have not kept enough juice in the thing at all. Look at that. That's my fault. I'm not trading big enough. Look at there. Blue, 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 blue. So that's on me. I could have taken more risk and maybe got closer to a 20% return, but that's okay. You know, I'm not going to beat myself up because I'm Sweet Bobby and I love me because I'm somebody. All right. Now let's go to the other one, to the 2030 account. Let's see how we're doing here. 2030, we are at 29,643. 29,643. Come here, baby. See if Rico's ready. 29,643. Oh yeah, 29,643. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
How are we doing compared to the market on this one? Market's up 14.54%, and you and I are up 13.5. That's about normal. That's about normal. All right, so let's go here, update our Greeks and ratios. So here, okay, so we are at 2022. 2022. VIX is at 13. And the buying power that we're using is $9,800. All right, what is the trading plan? If one thing is red, but this is blue, I have the prerogative, but not the obligation to put on a trade. I want to put on a trade. But should I do what I did in the other class, in the other one, and close some of these positions? I think so. You know, I think so. So let's close this one with 8 days left to 40/50s. All right, where's our... I'm going to get rid. Do I have a call credit spread in here? No, surely I don't, do I? Move that to T-bills. Call credit spread. Let me delete that. I don't want no call credit spreads. All right, so we got put debit spreads, naked puts. Here we go. So we got those 40/50s. I got 2 of them listed separately. Look at that. Create closing order. Try 40 cents. Okay, should have tried 35. Dang it. Damn it. Let's close that other one for 40. Boom, we're out of those. So let's go put that in here. So we got out of the 40/50s for 40 cents on the year of our Lord 12/7/23, a date which will live in infamy. Those bastards that came across and just horrible thinking about Pearl Harbor. God rest those brave men and women's souls that were killed that day. Oh, unbelievable. All right. So let's see. Said I had 2 more to close, but let's see. We've got these 39.70s. See where they're at. 39.70s. Where are the 3800s? They're not in my it's not in my spreadsheet. Maybe I didn't put those in there. Well, let's close these 39.70s. And we'll go try 25 cents. I said we'll try 30 cents. I just didn't hear me. 30 cents. I said 35 cents. Dang it. Come on, little feller. And that'll get us out. Beautiful. 35 cents. So let's put that in there. 39.70s. What's that? 39.70s at, what was it, 40? 35 cents. Hold on. God, my memory's going. Got filled at 35 cents. So 35 cents. Got out on 12/7/23. Now, anything else? Yeah, I mean, apparently I didn't put those other ones in here, but I need to close those too. See these 3800s? Let's close those. Try 30 cents. And we are out. Okay, so now let's put on another trade. And we'll probably do, since I closed so many, I'll probably do a 2-truncher here. So let's go to the 5 delta. Right here, 3800s. We got 17.25 a while ago, didn't we? 2, 3, 4. That's 17.25. They're not going to fill me this time. And all right, it's 17, 3800, 134. Here we go. So we did 4 MES, 2, put debit spread 102, or naked put 102, 3800 puts, naked 134, 12/7/23, and we got in those for $17. Look at that, y'all. All right, so then let's go PDS 102, and we figure it's going to be that 4450, 4400, like we did a while ago. Debit spread 134, 12/7/23, and let's see if we can get them in there. Come here, little feller. So yeah, 4450, buy that one. Sell to 4400 and 950, and I should have done 2 of those though. 2 of those. Got filled for 935. How about that? Try another one. Create duplicate order. 935. All right. 9.35. All right, guys, great session, short and sweet. Tomorrow, we'll really go into real depth in the Muscadine Mafia session on the Black Swan hedge. I will see y'all tomorrow.